In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change fonts in Wix fast and easy with this Wix website builder tutorial for beginners. Whether you're creating a website from scratch or just looking to freshen things up, changing the fonts on your Wix site can make a big difference in its overall look and feel. Let's dive into the process step by step so you can get those perfect fonts up and running in no time. First things first, you need to head over to the Wix website editor. If you're not already logged into your Wix account, go ahead and do that now. Once you're logged in, navigate to your desired website project. The Wix editor is a powerful tool, and it opens up a world of customization options for your site. Now that you're in the Wix editor, the next step is to locate the text you want to update. Simply click on the text element you wish to change. Once selected, you'll notice a toolbar popping up, which serves as your control panel for all things text-related. Look for the option that says Edit Text and give it a click. This will open up further options specifically for editing the chosen text element. With the text element ready to be tailored to your liking, click on the Fonts option in the toolbar. This is where the real fun begins. You'll see a range of fonts that you can choose from, giving you the freedom to express your style and match your brand's identity. Take your time scrolling through the list of fonts. There are plenty to choose from, whether you're looking for something classic, modern, or even whimsical. Once you've found the font that fits your vision, select it. This will automatically apply it to the text you've selected on your website. Feel free to preview how it looks and make any necessary adjustments. Remember, a font's weight and style can greatly impact the readability and overall aesthetic of your site, so choose wisely. Finally, after you've selected a font and you're happy with how it looks, the last important step is to click on Publish to save your changes. This step is crucial as it ensures that all your hard work is reflected on the live version of your website. And voila! Just like that, you've successfully changed the fonts on your Wix site. Refreshing your design with new fonts can give your website a renewed sense of personality and professionalism. Now take a moment to browse through your site one more time to see how the new fonts enhance its overall appearance. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. Feel free to explore further customization options within the Wix editor.